Guys, today I'm going to show you how to meet Slack channels, but before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help us post more YouTube tutorials and videos. Now look into your Slack account and head over to the channel that you want to meet. For example, click on this channel, head over to the three dots here and head over to edit notifications. So here all notifications are enabled on this channel. Just select mute and hide to mute all notifications in this channel. So click on that. So for now the channel is already muted, but you can have also just go to settings and here it is muted. So posting permissions and habits are still active on this channel. You can also choose who can add to this new channel owner to prevent only the admin owner to add tabs and remove them. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a